See, I'm a guy that's pretty decent at focusing. Like when I set my mind that I want to do something, I'll get it done. But there are some days where it just feels like I'm at war with myself, against myself. See, sometimes I know I have to get this hard thing done. I know I need to get this thing finished, but then I'll just end up switching into another tab on my computer screen or leaning over to my phone and opening up TikTok just to find something, anything that's gonna entertain me or make me laugh or teach me something new. And before you know it, I'll end up spending 1, 2, or even 3 hours wasting my time consuming content instead of completing my task that I know is way more beneficial to me than the stuff that I'm watching. And after really looking into my habits and how I work and analyzing it, I've come to the conclusion, it's the content. It is the content consumption. That is the root of the problem, and that is what's ruining me and most people around. Let me explain. See, content consumption is time consuming. Yes, on platforms like TikTok, it sounds like it's only 15 seconds, so it's gonna be fast, but you gotta keep in mind, there are millions of videos uploaded every single day on every subject and from every part of the world. If you thought YouTube was addicting, imagine what happens when you have endless amounts of content to entertain you and they have 10 seconds to do it, and if they can't do it, you just swipe to the next one. Not only do those 15 seconds quickly become 3 hours without realizing it, but it's ruining your reward receptors. It's ruining your reward system. Let me explain. See, the reward system is a group of neural structures that are responsible for incentives, associative learning, and positive valenced emotions. This is no different than porn. See, with porn, you can have 30 tabs open, all with different women, and if they can't please you, you just close the tab and you move on to the next one. Never in history would have this ever been possible. So today, with pornography, the problem is that the norm no longer pleases you. So now you need more aggressive and bigger and badder, and you just keep falling into this deeper hole where you need more and more and more to get that same level of dopamine, that same level of juice your reward system gives your brain when you see something you like. Well, content porn works in a similar way. Every time a piece of content doesn't please you, you scroll to the next one and the next one. And if that platform isn't cutting it, then you bounce between TikTok and Snapchat and YouTube, and you're bound to fall into something that's gonna entertain you. Not only does this level up the threshold of what content actually entertains you now, because previous content is just not gonna cut it, but it also ends up ruining your reward receptors where tedious tasks that used to entertain you now just become boring. Your brain then ends up prioritizing content consumption as being more enjoyable than finishing a project that you would have been proud of. Number 3, it just damages your eyes. On average, we spend about 8 hours a day on an electronic device consuming some type of content. Those same devices emit a blue light that tricks our internal body clock. Our brain then tells our body that it's still daylight outside, so it doesn't let you sleep at night. It messes with your melatonin levels and disrupts your internal sleeping schedule. Now, let's be real, cutting screen time, it's pretty much impossible. What's not impossible is protecting yourself against that blue light. This is exactly why we dropped our Prism blue light blocking line with JBlag, which absolutely crushes it every time we restock. Bro, just go onto the side. A lot of pairs are sold out. You wanna know why? Because most men are having this problem and they want a solution that protects them and allows them to be able to spend time on the phone. That's what blue light blocking glasses do. See, our frames are designed to make you look more attractive. They're designed to structure your face. They're designed stylishly so anything you wear, they look good. They're also designed with high quality materials made from Italy. But the important part is that we also infuse technology into it, like our blue light blocking technology, into every single lens within our Prism lineup. What ends up happening is that now you have a lens that you can wear all day long, morning and night, indoors and out. So not only do you look good, you're protecting your eyes. My guy, if you don't have a pair of blue light yet, I want you to check it out. Click that link down below, check out the pair from JBlag, and pick yourself up a pair that's gonna make you proud and is gonna make you look good. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. And finally, number 4, you just stop creating. See, the most beautiful thing that we as humans can do is that we can create. But the moment that you start consuming the content is the moment that you stop creating. You get so wrapped up in getting entertained, you forget to actually create something that you yourself are proud of. So I want you to find the positive in everything. And see, instead of seeing content as a consumer, I want you to see it as a creator. Use it as a source or fuel to inspire you to achieve new dreams or inspire you to pursue a new passion or to create content yourself. See, for example, something that I like to do, every time I consume content, whether it's on TikTok or YouTube or whatever, I don't just view it as a viewer, I view it as a creator. So I'll literally take mental notes and sometimes even physical notes as to how things are shot, how the camera moves, how things are laid out, how things are said, so I then take inspiration and I can apply it into my own creative process. And that in itself is being able to find something positive even amongst the negative. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. This is why content consumption, it's killing you. But it just takes self-awareness. It takes understanding what the problem is to be able to figure out the solution. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Jade Black. If you guys want a pair of blue light blocking glasses, they'll be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.